Another basic rule for integration or anti-differentiation is the constant multiple rule. In this rule, it is expressed in a form of indefinite integral of a constant a times the function f of x dx is equal to a times the integral of the function f of x dx. So we will answer the following examples in this video. So for our example A, we have indefinite integral of 6x raised to 2 dx. So applying the constant multiple rule, we see that we have the constant of 6, so we put it out of the integral operator, and then our function x squared then dx. So after we separate this constant 6 to our function, we perform the power rule, which is 2 plus 1, and then it will become the denominator of the function x squared plus 1 plus the arbitrary constant c. So after we perform the power rule, we can now simplify this by multiplying our constant 6 to the function. So we have to multiply the 6 to our x squared plus 1, which is 3 over 3, and then it is simplifiable since 6 and 3 has a common factor of 3, so we have 2x raised to 3. So therefore, the indefinite integral of our function 6x raised to 2 dx is equal to 2x cubed plus c. For our second example, we have the indefinite integral of 8x raised to 3 halves dx. So we can get its indefinite integral by applying the constant multiple rule. So we see that our constant here is the 8. So we can separate this first on our integral operator. So we put 8 here, and then our function x raised to 3 halves dx. After that, we can apply the power rule by adding 1 to our exponent. So we have 3 halves plus 1, which is still equal to 3 halves plus 1 is equal to 3 halves plus 2 over 2. So therefore, we can add this 5 over 2. Therefore, the exponent will become 5 over 2 and as well as the denominator. Then after that, we can simplify by multiplying our constant 8 to our function, and we get 8 times 8x raised to 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus c. And since we have a rational form of our denominator, we can simply multiply it to our function 8x raised to 5 over 2 times the reciprocal of our 5 over 2 is 2 over 5. So therefore, we can multiply this and we will get 16x raised to 5 over 2 over 5. So therefore, the indefinite integral of our function 8x raised to 3 halves dx is equal to 16 over 5x raised to 5 over 2 plus c.